So how to deposit a cheque in Halifax. So to pay in a cheque on Halifax, if you open up the Halifax app, you just want to go ahead and click on the account that you want to pay in the cheque for. Then once you've done that, it'll open you up to your account right here, and you simply just want to click on the three dots at the top right here. Then once you've done that, it'll open you up to this menu section here, and nice and simple, you just want to click on Deposit a Cheque. From there, it'll open you up to this page here, and then you'll just need to input how much the cheque is for. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £100. And then you'll just need to give it a reference. And then from here, you'll just need to go ahead and take a photo of the front and back of the cheque. So just make sure you complete all these steps. And then once you've submitted, Halifax will review your cheque from there, and that should be processed within a few working days. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.